Ever accidentally hit a post you later wished you could see again? Here's how to unhide those hidden gems on Facebook. First, navigate to your Facebook profile page. Look for the More tab, usually located below your cover photo and profile picture. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of all your activity. On the Activity Log page, you'll see a list of different activity categories on the left-hand side. Scroll down and click on Hidden Posts. Here, you'll find all the posts you've previously chosen to hide. To unhide a specific post located in the list, next to each hidden post, you'll see a small circle with 3 dots, which is the Options menu. Click on this to reveal your choices. In the options that pop up, you'll see the choice allowed on timeline. Click this option. And just like that, your hidden post is now visible again on your timeline for your friends and followers to see. You can repeat this process for any other posts you wish to bring back. That's all there is to it. Stay tuned for more helpful Facebook tips by subscribing.